Hi guys, I'm Nai Chong again and I'm from Carpenter Design Group. Thanks you guys for coming back to my channel and all my followers, you all hossable. And today I will showcase a nice view in the Savannah parks with the trees and the pools over here and one of the mountain biggest one. And I'm not a property agent, I'm an interior designer. So I will show you my project for 4-room flat in the Savannah condo. Let's go! The kitchen have greyish quartz top with Peranakan tiles and transparent glass backsplash. The LED lighting also create a warm vibrant feeling that's helped the owner to feel at ease while preparing a meal. With a unique slide and swing door in the dining area, it opens up the space of the room. And the spatial bookcase with LED light make a perfect place for reading corner. The wooden divider and the feature wall in the living room make the TV display area look more sleek and spacious. The night light installed along the corridor to the bedroom give an easy access when all lights off.